morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm naturally Ray, or you can just call me Ray. Now, if you know you watch my videos back to back and have not subscribed, why not? Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload future vlogs and videos where I talk about health, fitness and lifestyle. So today we're making some ginger shots. A couple weeks ago I made ginger, turmeric and lime wellness shots. I will link it in the description box below or in the cards up above so you can check that video out. And while turmeric is awesome, it has some really great health benefits. Just in case you don't get your hands on turmeric, having ginger shots is a really good alternative. It also has some really good health benefits as well. And if for any reason you do not have a juicer, it is fine. I don't have a juicer, but I usually make my wellness shots with my blender. And in this video, I'll be showing you how easy it is to make. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload future videos. And let me know if you like making wellness shots, if you like making ginger shots. Let me know what type of ingredients you put in it, because of course you can switch it up and put whatever ingredients you like. Let me know if you make those type of shots, and as always, try your best to become the healthiest version of yourselves. Bye guys.